Hi, my name is Abhishek Suryavanshi and I am the first visiting scholar at the School of Data Science at University of Virginia. When I hear about data science and then these big schools or in general the data science industry, the first thing comes to mind is people trying to make money by exploiting the data because data is much more valuable now than it was before. The thing I liked about School of Data Science was when I learned more and more about it, I learned that School of Data Science was started with an aim to make sure data science will be used for a public good. School of Data Science has initiatives which support special non-profits, and that was amazing to me. And then the second thing which I liked about data science, it's people. Everyone says they care about India. Everyone says like, oh, we are global, we are diverse. At School of Data Science, when I met people, I met them here and they also traveled to India to interact and then understand Indian system. The dean of the school, Phil, I met him here. He's passionate about it, and I was really impressed when he made an extra effort to come to India, interact with Indian students, Indian professionals, and that shows me the kind of commitment School of Data Science has. It goes beyond just dean; it just goes to all the faculty members. Lane Raspberry, who is also affiliated with School of Data Science, he keeps visiting India, he keeps interacting with Indian audiences. So that was very special to me, like someone who's not just a mission statement on the website that we care about Southeast Asia or India, but actually I was really happy and surprised to see like people are making effort to make sure Indian students they learn from Indian students as well as they can teach Indian students, so it's a two-way street. So that's why I feel really fortunate and lucky that I am part of School of Data Science, and I got opportunity to be one of the founding members as well as the first visiting scholar at the School of Data Science.